I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just...
Now that person did it. Yeah, mama give you. Yeah, drink juice. It's nice. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. Good. It's good. Yes or no? Is it good? It's good. You don't like it. This is mine. I'm gonna drink this later. I'm going to drink this one later in the day. I'll finish it later in the day because I don't want it to get acidic. Okay. What is it? Mia, will you stress me like this? Why are you stressing mama like this? Yes.
Just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces. Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all.
Hi guys. So guys, can you see me? I just finished a 12 minutes workout with Grow with Joe. Like, see the sweat. The sweat is sweating. Yeah, the sweat is sweating. Oh God. Here, love. So I'm still making breakfast for this small madam that is here. Yeah, so I'll keep on making her breakfast. Then I'll catch you guys in the next clip. When I want to go and shower. How do you guys see my hair? Like, I'm loving this hair. This hair is long. Oh. This hair is freaking long. Like, it passed my bum self.
Party after party. Party after party.
So loves, I don't know. See, waiting pimples. See this thing is paining me. Now one gigantic pimples that want to that want to come outside. I don't know. I'm sure it's that time of the month that's about to approach again. Yeah, so sorry about that. Bang, 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 bang. That is what you get when you have a toddler and you're a content creator. Your phone go the phone bash, bash, boss, bash. Yes. So let me continue the food, Jerry. I'm going to shower before the sweat dries up from my body. Yeah, your body is your body. Your body is your body. Come on, love. I love this hair. Like, you know, when you make new hair, they give you new hair vibes. That's how this hair is giving me. New hair, new vibes. See longness. If you guys saw it like in the hair video. In the hair video. Yes. Can I help you, Mia? How can we help you? I'm trying to create content and you're shouting, Mama, Papa. How can I help you right now? Tell me. Anyway, I know they show her face self.
Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on with you by
Baby,
my
outside.
side. Baby, when we fall together, we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces, 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 show me you mean it tonight. I thought we could be here forever. Now it seems that we're lost in a memory. 'Cause I've been waiting for excuses. I don't really wanna lose this. Been lying to myself. Girl, you know that I've been through this. Waves of crashing, scars and bruises. I don't think that I can do this. I don't think that I can do this. When these waves come crashing down, yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down.
There's a YouTuber I watched her video and she was like she mob sweep and I decided to try to do the mob sweeping. And do you know that this house I swept it yesterday night, and as I did that mob sweeping, this is the dirt I have again. Like, how managed did this one come outside? I swept house where I swept last night too. Where did this one come out from? What I want to say is that when watching YouTube channels, you learn something from watching other people's channel. You learn one or two tricks, one or two hacks that you can use in your house. So I learned it from a YouTuber. I can't remember her name, but I think I watched that video yesterday. That yesterday first day I watched the video, and I said, okay, let me try and do that mob sweeping. And I did the mob sweeping, and you can imagine the dirt that just came outside. And I swept this house last night because I did cleaning. I changed my yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, so I changed my bed sheets, arranged madam's bed sheet, and I swept. Like, I was folding clothes. After folding clothes, spirit of cleaning enter my body. I started to change bed sheets, started to sweep house in the night around, I think that was around 9 or 10 o'clock in the night. My husband was like, why are you doing this? But I said, I don't know, it just entered inside my body. Yes, so that's what I want to just say. Let me continue my cleaning. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
I don't think that I can do this. I don't think that I can do this. When these waves come crashing down,
Here I'm making dinner. I want to make chicken curry sauce. Okay, so first of all we are going to debone this chicken. This is chicken breast, so most of the time when we get chicken breast, some of them comes with bone, so I have to debone it to remove the bones from the chicken. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you watch to this extent. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share and comment as well. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of the video, of the vlog. Okay, so right now I've deboned the chicken. I have to remove every single meat from this chicken breast. Okay, so I'll cut it in smaller pieces. Then I will move to the next step, which is marinating the chicken breast and also chopping the veggies. I'm adding some paprika to the chicken breast. I added black pepper and salt to taste. Okay, so I'll be showing you all everything I'll be doing to the chicken breast. Now I'll add this to set for few minutes, okay, while I chop my veggies so that the ingredients can, enter into the chicken breast. That is Maggie. Don't look like it. For the veggies, I'm using yellow pepper, green pepper, and red pepper. Like, I love this bell pepper so much. So I'm chopping them, and this is what we have. I added we have green pepper, yellow pepper, carrots, and onions, garlic, and basil leaf. So for the spices, we are using soya sauce, Maggi to taste, thyme, curry, black pepper, salt, and yeah. So right now I'll first of all put our pot on the fire, and I'll add some oil. Then I'll fry my chicken breast first before we proceed in making the sauce. Why I fry the chicken breast first, so that it can have that crunchy body outside. Okay, so when I fry it to my desire, I will take it out, then start making the sauce, whereby adding our onions. So right now I fried the chicken breast to my desire, so I'm going to be taking it out from the pot. Then I'll add in some onions. I'm still going to be using the same oil I used to fry the chicken breast. That's the same oil I'm going to use to cook the sauce. Here we have our onions. Okay, then you fry it for few minutes, then you add your tomato and add all the veggies that you want to use to cook the chicken curry sauce. Then you allow those to fry. Fry for like 15 to 10 minutes. Okay, then you add your maggi, curry, thyme, black pepper, paprika. I added more curry because it's a curry sauce. Okay, so and I add a little bit of soy sauce. Then this is salt to taste. Then I stir fry as well. After stir frying, I will add water because it's a sauce. It's not just going to be like this, so it needs to be a little bit thick and get what I mean. Yeah, so after frying this for a few seconds, I added my chicken breast. The chicken breast we fried before I added it. Then I will stir fry as well, mix everything together like this, guys. It smells so amazing and it tastes so amazing. So I am just adding water. This is the only water I will add, and I will mix everything. I will allow this to boil. Then we'll also add corn flour for thickness.
Sometimes you feel weak, feel your care inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. Who'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart, whatever happens.
So this is after a few seconds of boiling. Okay, so right now I'm going to add my corn flour for thickness so that the sauce can be thick, and I'll allow this to thick a bit. Then our curry chicken sauce is ready. Yo, this tastes so amazing. Like, after this I will plate and I'll show you guys what the sauce looks like. So if you've watched this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you notify when I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. And I just added a basil leaf that gave it another punch, and this looks so amazing. Like, let me know in the comment section what do you guys think. So love, this is what it looks like after it's been cooked. So right now I'm going to plate for you guys.
Stay by your side in your heart, whatever happens. Remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want.
Okay, besties, I've come to the end of this vlog. Yeah. How do you guys see the dinner and the presentation? Let me know in the comment section. So loves, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Baby girl is sleeping, and I'll just eat that food that I just presented that to you all. Then that's it. This is my last meal for the day. Like after the breakfast, I've not eaten anything. So this rice is just gonna be the food I'll eat, and the time is 5:22. As I said earlier on, I'm trying to be eating on time, so 5:22, and that's it. So even if I'm hungry, I have some fruit. I'll just munch on the fruit and sleep. But I don't think I'll be hungry. I'll just drink water and green tea. Yeah. So I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and comment. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.